Why is it weird?
That's
How do you get athletic?
to video stuff, that's how I'm gonna get athletic. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous.
We just did it with one.
Be careful.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Are you serious?
Might want to move those back. Might want to move those back a bit.
Alright, let me get up there and just try it. I do have my
Do you have your tape measure on you? Giselle, do you have your tape measure on you?
tape measure.
Okay. Yep. Two more. You got this. Come on. Come on. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. You all right? Good. Good. Good.
No, that's my.
You dislocated your shoulder? What was it?
No. What?
What'd you do to your shoulder?
But seriously, like if I even tried that, I would bust my face open.
Terrence, you got this.
If my parents.
Yep.
Oh my.
No problem. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Beasted.